Welcome to 55 Colonial Drive in Cold Spring Hills. This 5-bedroom modern colonial combines luxury and convenience in one exceptional package. Step inside to experience an inviting open floor plan that seamlessly connects the living, dining, and kitchen areas, creating an ideal space for both everyday living and entertaining. High ceilings and large windows flood this home with natural light, accentuating the sleek finishes and sophisticated design throughout. This gourmet kitchen is a chef's dream, featuring state-of-the-art appliances, subzero refrigerator, wine fridge, expansive countertops, and custom cabinetry. The adjoining great room, with its wood-burning fireplace and elegant built-ins, provides a perfect backdrop for gatherings with family and friends. Upstairs, the master suite is a true retreat, complete with a spacious walk-in closet, a luxury ensuite bathroom, and a balcony overlooking the backyard. Outside, this meticulously landscaped yard provides a private oasis for relaxation or outdoor entertaining. Schedule your private tour today and experience all that this exceptional home has to offer.